Nah, just SpongeBob. Nah, SpongeBob's in our lobby.
Do your intro flute. Do your flute.
Do you know where the Krusty Krab is? Do you know where
I can't do anything because I'm
Do you know where the Krusty? Do you know where the Krusty Krab is? Do you know the?
I'm autistic.
Can I just get the Krusty Krab IP location so I can go there and get a?
No, SpongeBob, you're ugly. I don't like your movies. Look at Moody.
You don't wait down there. SpongeBob, I won't hurt you. I'll just give you. Plankton's trying to steal the Krusty Krab. Plankton's trying to steal the Krusty Krab. He has guns.
What?
Yeah, Plankton has it at
I can't believe he would do that.
He's doing it anyway, so you should probably go to the Krusty Krab and get him.
I'm gonna kill that fucking little dumbass.
SpongeBob just
I'm
swear.
gonna stab him to death with my fork when I bake him.
You want a sharper fork?
I'm gonna cook him to death.
Do you want cocaine so you can give him cocaine so he dies?
I have the secret formula, SpongeBob.
Do you know what?
Hello?
What, you want cocaine so you can
You
kill?
should do this.
Okay, here's
You
your
should do this.
Here's your cocaine. Oh. Okay, here's cocaine to kill Plankton.
Now kill yourself. I'm joking.
You were my favorite cartoon. You were my favorite cartoon. On Cartoon Network. Or on Nickelodeon.
I already came up here.
Or Disney, I forgot. I think you're on Prime, Amazon Prime. Yeah, watch it on Amazon Prime. What the?
I'm about to bust.
I'm going to the store, guys. See ya.
Okay, see ya.
Goodbye, Dad.
He didn't say he was getting the milk,
I'm
so.
going into city. I'm
SpongeBob.
going to city.
No, Patrick's waiting for you and over here. I heard Patrick. I think he's over here. I don't know. I heard a ho 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 and a Patrick noises. I forgot. I think I heard Patrick. I'm gonna go check for you.
What?
Patrick, are you here?
Patrick?
what
Yo, what the fuck?
what the?
Mom?
Mom.
Snowball.
I think SpongeBob's in our lobby.
I'm about to come.
Yeah.
I think SpongeBob's in the lobby. I think SpongeBob's in our lobby. I think SpongeBob is in the lobby.
I'm Eminem, bro.
What the hell is Eminem? That woman just changed. That woman just changed genders. That woman just changed genders.
Where is Eminem?
I don't know. I think Slim Shady left.
Did he leave?
Yeah, I think he did. Slim Shady left. Slim Shady left. Why do I have a gun? So you can shoot him if you see him. If he doesn't give you his autograph. And also to kill Plankton since he stole the Krusty Krab.
I'm gonna kill myself.
No, don't. If you kill yourself, then no more Krabby Patties for everyone.
What? No.
Don't kill
I
yourself.
hate Mr. Krabs anyways.
And also, Mr. Krabs will give you a big ass paycheck. I
hate
am
Mr. Krabs, and I know that he won't.
Beep,
He
boop, bop,
only
boop.
cares about money.
I know he does. I
Do you
literally
know what he has?
What?
Do you know what he has?
No.
Who is this?
Oh.
Who is this?
Money.
That's Mr. Krabs.
You can just slam dunk him into a chair. If you want to murder him.
I'm SpongeBob.
Yeah, we know. Where's everyone?
I'm SpongeBob.
I think SpongeBob's overdosed. I think SpongeBob overdosed in drugs. I think that's yes. I think SpongeBob overdosed in drugs. He did. SpongeBob overdosed.
I'm going into city, guys.
No, don't leave,
Goodbye.
No, don't leave, SpongeBob.
I am.
He left. He gone. He be gone.